Hi, welcome to the video in which I show you some of the OneNote tips and tricks that I used to produce my current work productivity system. If you haven't watched the video on that notebook yet, I encourage you to do so. You can find it linked in the notes attached to this video, as well as cross-linked on my blog. So putting together a notebook that has a page for every day in a year plus a page for every week can be kind of daunting, especially if you think about doing the add page, typing, and then organizing everything together. So I'm going to show you the tips and tricks that I used to generate these things to make OneNote work much faster for me. The first thing is about linking. Now you can always go to the insert menu and link and choose your location. If you have a lot of notebooks open, this can quickly become onerous. And so we can say, okay, I'm going to link to this page. I'm going to link to the new page I just put in. However, you can do the same thing by pressing Control K on your keyboard. And then if your mouse is, or your cursor is in this pick a location in OneNote, you can just start typing the name of the book or the page. So here's the link target that I want to link to. I hit enter and there it is. And I click and I go straight to the page and I can link back. So very, very easy and fast to get those things together. The next thing is how to quickly add pages. This is really helpful if you have a highly patterned page name, such as calendar dates. You can add pages from a list generated in Excel. So if I want to add 10 pages here, I generate my list, I copy, bring it back over here, and it puts it in a table, and all I have to do is click this, right-click it, and say link to pages. And it creates brand new pages based on that. It also adds links in the thing that you pasted. So that's very easy to do. One of the powerful things I love about OneNote is the ability to make page templates. So I'm just going to set up a quick template here. I'm going to make a page with a checklist. Come on. All right. And then notes. And I'll do a little bit of formatting, putting some headings, and I'll make this be a bulleted list. Okay, so here's my template, and I can save this as a system accessible thing by going into Insert and Page Templates, and then Page Templates. And down here, I can say Save Current Page Template as a template. And I can tell it to set this as the default template for new pages. This is really helpful when you combine it with the previous tip of adding pages from a list. And I'll show you how that works. Okay, so we've set that, and you can see that my new template is in the list. And if I want to create a new page, I can do that. But I can also go back and add links. So let me go back to Excel, and I'm going to make a list of all months. I'll copy and paste that. Highlight, right-click, link to pages. And there's all my month pages, and as you click on them, you can see that they are all in the format of that template. The last thing I wanted to show you is another way of quickly adding links, and this is something that I really had to dig to find, and it's something I've used in other programs. If you want to quickly add a link and you want to type out the name, you can hit 2 square brackets, the name of the page, and then close the brackets. That will automatically create a link and take you to the page. Now, if you want to do put my brackets in, a new page from here, you can do that as well. You just type the name of the new page, and when you click it, it creates the new page, applying any templates that you had set. So those are my tips and tricks for using OneNote and getting pages set up quickly and easily and linking things together. I hope that you will check out the rest of the articles on the blog. And if you haven't watched the original article about my work productivity system, please do so. And thanks for watching.